Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is Grady-White's 275 Freedom. This is a 2024, located on our lot here in Jacksonville Beach. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146. But let's just go through some of the highlights of this particular one. This has got the custom color engines from Grady-White. You only see this color on the Grady-White boats. It's a pearlescent white. All the Grady's are coming with that color engines now, the small engines all the way on up to the big ones. This has got the retractable ski pylon on here. Insulated fish box. Livewell on this side. Optional on this boat, but everybody seems to love it, is this retractable sun lounger on the port side. With the push of a button, this seat goes back in and just forms a small seat there instead of the sun lounger. You've got the fold-out back seat that you've seen on Grady that's been a great success for them for many, many years. Wet bar over here on the starboard side with a sink inside of it. Solid surface cutting board on top of that. Double wide helm seat, which I really like, so you can fit two people wide right there. Let me go back one thing because this is important. This has got the sure shade on it, and it's a power sure shade. So push of a button, this sure shade's going to extend and cover up all the way over this back seat, and it doubles the shade area on this boat. You've already got a huge hardtop on this boat, but when you put this sure shade out, then you're going to double that shade area. Double wide seat on the port side. You've got your stereo over on this side, but you've also got a remote for that stereo at the captain's fingertips right there. You've got a place if you want to put your iPad or whatever right there, because you've got charging available for that too. This particular boat has got the joystick piloting on it, full maneuverability. You want the boat to go to the right, you want it to go backwards. You don't touch the steering wheel, you don't touch the controls. All you need to do is move this joystick right here. Lots of other functions that are involved with that too. Now, we haven't installed any electronics on here because we want you to choose what you want. Do you want a Garmin? Do you want Simrad? Do you want Raymarine? What size do you want? So we're going to leave that up to you, but there's plenty of room up here for a multifunction display as well as your VHF radio. A nice high polished stainless steel windshield, so when you sit at that seat, you're not like looking right at a windshield. You've got plenty of protection from the elements. If you look up at the hard top here, this is the outside color of the boat. So it's this light blue. This underside of the hard top matches the exterior of the boat. You come up to the front, you've got two nice lounge seats up here. Your anchor windlass is recessed down inside the bow, so it keeps it nice and clean, as well as retractable cleats in the bow. Really oversized cleats for a 27-foot boat. And that's something that you see on Grady-White. Everything's just overbuilt, oversized, over thick. Starting at the transom door back there when we first came on the boat, it's not a half-inch piece of plastic, it's a 2-inch piece of thick fiberglass back there with hinges on it that you'd see on a 50-foot sport fish. Just everything about Grady is overbuilt. The windlass controls you've got right here, so when you're up in the bow of the boat, you're kind of looking at your dock line, you can let out or retract your windlass line from right here. Again, this boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. I'm Grant Drooksma. If you want to know more about it, give me a call at 904-625-6146.